Hello all, welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu Language Online. In the last lesson, we have learned negatives and interrogative sentences in present continuous tense in Tulu. Today we are going to learn something new, that is verbals. If you have not yet subscribed in my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also please like and share this video if you liked it. Verbals are forms of verb which is used as another part of speech like nouns, adjectives or adverbs in a sentence. There are 5 types of verbals in Tulu. First one is adverbial participles or verbal adverbs. Second one is adjectival participles or verbal adjectives. Third one is gerunds. Fourth one verbal nouns and fifth one infinitives. Let us look into only adverbial participles today. Next week we will cover other types of verbals. Adverbial participles are mainly used as adverbs. There are 3 forms: present, past and negative. Now let us see present adverbial participles. The suffix is vandu. The suffix vandu is added to the simple past verb stem. We have already learned this form in Tulu lesson 16, present continuous tense. All we have to do is just remove the auxiliary verb ul from present continuous tense form of verbs. For example, maltondulla means I am doing. If we remove the auxiliary verb ul, we will get just maltondu, which means doing. This is the present adverbial participle in Tulu. Let us see a few more examples. Po means go. Po vandu, going. Tinu means eat. Tindondu or tinondu, eating. Uppu or ippu means be. Ittandu, being. Telipu, smile or laugh. Telitandu, smiling or laughing. Patanu, catch oneself or hold. Patanandu, holding. Nadapa, cause to walk or make someone walk. Nadapavandu, having someone walk. Now let us see how to use present adverbial participles in sentences. This form is used to express the mode, how an action is done. I baltundu batte. He came running. Here I batte or he came is the main sentence and baltundu or running is the adverb. How he came. He came running. I baltundu batte. Akkulu paatirandu bele maltonduller. They are speaking and working. Alu telitandu poyal. She went smiling. Tuda paratandu kadal serundu. River flows and joins the sea. Mange maroddu marakko lagyondu pondu. The monkey went jumping from tree to tree. Janakulu padapanandu naltondu poyer. People went singing and dancing. Jokulu ಒರೆಡೊರಿ ಪಾತೆರಂದು ತೆಲಿತಂದು ಗೊಬ್ಬಂದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಪೋವಂದುಲ್ಲೇರ್. Children are speaking with each other, smiling, playing and going to school. Okay, now let us see past adverbial participles. The suffix is the. The suffix the is added to the simple past verb stem. We have learned this form in lesson 14, present perfect tense. All we have to do is just remove the personal endings from present perfect tense form of verbs. For example, maltda means I have done. If we remove the personal ending a, we get just maltdu, which means having done. This is the past adverbial participle in Tulu. Let us see a few more examples. Kenu, ask or hear. Kendadu or kendu, having asked or having heard. Po means go. Podu, having gone. Tinu, eat. Tindadu or tindu, having eaten. Uppu or ippu means be. Itudu, having been. Nadapu, walk. Nadatadu, having walked. Paru, drink. Pardu, having drunk. Telipa, cause to smile or laugh, or make someone smile or laugh. Telipadu, having made someone laugh. Now let us see how to use past adverbial participles in sentences. This form is used to express actions in sequence. Aye undudu jette. He had lunch or dinner and slept. Aye kande enva gantige lakkudu meedu chapardu salige poye. He got up at 8 o'clock, took bath, had tea and went to school. Yan ayada pandudu barpe. I will tell him and come. Enkulu podu barpa. We will go and come. Ayana bela mugitudu illade poye. Having finished his work, he went home. Yana ನೀಂದಿದು ತುದೇನು ಕಡತ್ತೆ. I swam and crossed the river. And it's also used to express the reason or cause of actions. Barsa battadu yan chandi aya. It rained and so I got wet. Baltudu ink bachandu. I'm tired from running. Ninanu tudu ink kushiyandu. I'm happy seeing you. Ninna kata kendidu ink bejarandu. I'm feeling sad listening to your story. And it's also used to express time. Aye podu onji varsha andu. It's been 1 year since he went. Ninantudu mast samaya andu. It's been a long time since I saw you. Okay, now let us see negative adverbial participles in Tulu. The suffix is anda. The suffix anda is added to the root verb. Example: Malpu, do. Malpu plus anda, malpanda, having not done. Po means go. Povanda, having not gone. Uppu means be. Uppanda, having not been. Ijji means not. Ijjanda or danta, having not been. Koru means give. Koranda, having not given. Detonu means take oneself or buy or purchase. Detonanda, having not taken. Bulipa, cause to cry or make someone cry. Bulipavanda, having not made someone cry. Now let us see how to use negative adverbial participles in sentences. Generally, this form gives the meaning of without. Satyapananda beta sadi ijji. Without telling the truth, there is no other way. Ee danta yanu badukaya. Without you, I can't live. Aye enada panande poye. He went without telling me. Aye unanda jitte. Without having lunch or dinner, he slept. Nikulu baranda yana popuje. I will not go without you people. Akulu manipande kullir. They sat quietly, or they sat without speaking. Alu enada paterande povayal. She may not go without speaking with me. And it's also used to express the reason or cause of actions. Imbe ಓದಂತೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಡು fail ಆಯೆ. He failed in the exam by not reading. ಯಾನು ತೆರಿಯಂದೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಲ್ತೆ. I did a mistake unknowingly. ಆಯೆ ಬಂಜಿಗು ತಿನಂದೆ ಸಪುರ ಆತೆ. He has become skinny by not eating. And also used to express time. Akulu barande banji varsha aandu. It's been 1 year since they came. Ninanu tuvande mastu samaya aandu. It's been a long time since I saw you. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next video, we will learn verbal adjectives in Tulu. Now let us see the correct answers for the quiz 3. Question 1. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. I worry dash Naramani. He is a good man. Answer Edda. Question 2. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. I enna dash dosti. He is my new friend. Answer Pasa. Question number 3. Write the correct answer to complete the sentence. Yanu dash neeru pariya. I drank warm water. Answer Becha. Question number 4. He is shorter than me. Translate into Tulu. Answer C. I enardu kudya. Question number 5. I ninardu tora. Translate into English. Answer D. He is fatter than you. Question number 6. Porlu dalu. Translate into English. Answer B. She who is beautiful. Question number 7. Old man. Translate into Tulu. Answer D. Parabe. Question number 8. Poor woman. Translate into Tulu. Answer C. Badavedi. Question number 9. Cheape peru. Translate into English. Answer sweet milk. Question number 10. Chappecha. Translate into English. Answer tasteless tea. Question number 11. Conjugate the verb ra in present perfect tense using the subjective pronoun alu. Answer ratal. Question number 12. I have waited for you. Translate into Tulu. Answer B. Yana nikku kaatade. Question number 13. Alu ninna pustakanu mejida mitta deetal. Translate into English. Answer C. She has kept your book on the table. Question number 14. I have not read that book. Translate into Tulu. Answer A. Yana aa pustakanu ಓದುದಿಜೆ. Question number 15. You have not called me. Translate into Tulu. Answer B. Iru enana leidijer. Question number 16. Has he drunk the tea? Translate into Tulu. Answer D. I chapartena. Question number 17. Alu chocolate tinondullal. Translate into English. She is eating a chocolate. Question number 18. The cat is not drinking milk. Translate into Tulu. Answer Pucha per parondicci. Question number 19. We are learning Tulu. Translate into Tulu. Answer C. Nama Tulu kaltandulla. Question number 20. Isn't it raining? Translate into Tulu. Answer Basa barundijja.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.